Hey guys, so this is the new app called Suva Live. So in today's video I'm going to lead you on how to operate on the new app. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Thank you. So guys, okay, let's go to this Suva Live. Once you have opened it, then click on Google login. Choose any email of your choice, like the email that you have. Okay, here it is. Then you click on this on profile here that you see a picture of someone's face. Click on it. You see, okay, yes, this is my name and this is my ID and the rest of them. I don't have a profile picture, so I can click on this icon, then put my pictures album. This is my album. Put any pictures of my choice from my gallery. Do you get? Okay, put any pictures of my choice from my gallery. Okay, then okay, let me just choose one. Okay, let me choose one picture from my gallery. Then you have to choose your gender. Yeah, choose your gender, whether you are a female or a male. So I'm a female, so I have to choose a female. Then my birthday date, yeah, if this is not actually your date of birth, you can change it. Yeah, you can choose any dates of your choice. You get the point. You can choose any dates of your choice. Okay, then in my bio you can write anything you want. Can you be my friend? It's okay, you can just press save. Anything you want, you can write it there. Then as you can see, my picture is already reflecting on my profile. Go back. Okay, yeah, this coin, yeah, this is a coin, your coin dashboard where you like use it to play games and all that. And this diamond icon is where you like where your earnings reflect. Do you get the point? Okay, this is my level. This place is my level verification. Click on this verification, then you verify. You have to verify now. Okay, then here you have the opportunity to choose if you want to become a host, or if you want to create an agency and then become an agency yourself. You get, so you can choose from any of these. These special IDs and the rest of them. Yeah, you can follow up my agency. If you already have agency, you can put the agency code on and the rest of them. Invitation, this is where you copy your link, then share it to your friends. Okay, when they do exchange and the rest of them, you still have your commissions. You get the point. So let's go over to live. Okay, this icon is where you do your live, and the rest of them. Just click on it, and then you have to join an agency or create one before you become an agent. Do you get the point? So that is it for new beginners. So guys, if you want to become a host under my agency, because I'm an agent myself, just join my agency by pasting these numbers on the column for those who wants to become a host in the app. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comment section. You can also join my WhatsApp group by clicking on the link in my bio. That is all for now. See you guys on my next video. Bye.